Are you ready to start investing, but get lost in the jargon and high fees? Do you feel like you need a finance degree just to understand what a brokerage is? What if I told you there's a simple, user-friendly app that makes investing accessible to everyone, and you don't pay a single cent in commission fees? That's where Wealthsimple Trade comes in. It's Canada's first and only commission-free stock trading app, and in the next 3 minutes, I'm going to walk you through the basics so you can start building your wealth today. First things first, what does commission-free even mean? Traditionally, every time you buy or sell a stock, your brokerage charges you a fee. It could be anywhere from a few dollars to $10 per trade. That might not sound like much, but those small fees really add up, especially if you're a beginner investor with a smaller account. Wealthsimple Trade eliminates those fees, so more of your money goes directly into your investments. So, how do you get started? It's incredibly simple. After you download the app and set up your account, you'll be on the main dashboard. It's clean and easy to navigate. You'll see your total portfolio value and a list of your holdings. To find a stock or ETF, just tap the search icon. Let's say you're interested in a company like Apple. You just type in Apple, and the company will pop up. From here, you can see the current price, a simple chart of its historical performance, and some key stats about the company. To buy, you hit the buy button. This is where you enter the number of shares you want to purchase. The app will show you the estimated cost, including the exchange rate if it's a US-listed stock. Once you're ready, you swipe up to place your order. It's really that simple. And remember, you can buy fractional shares with Wealthsimple. This is a game changer because you don't need hundreds or thousands of dollars to buy a single share of a company like Amazon. You can buy just a small piece of it, making investing in major companies way more accessible. Another great feature is the ability to set up recurring deposits. You can automatically add money to your account on a weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly basis. This helps you build the habit of investing consistently, a strategy known as dollar-cost averaging, which can help smooth out the ups and downs of the market. Wealthsimple Trade also offers both registered accounts, like a TFSA or an RRSP, and non-registered accounts. This is important for tax purposes, so you can choose the right account for your financial goals. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.